At this point, binigyan na ni ma'am yung aming score sa exams. And I was hoping to get a better grade or a passing grade. Pero ang nangyari, hindi ako nakapasa. Kahit ako ay nag-aaral ng buong magdamag para lang doon sa exam na yun.
Hi Gian! Libre!
Kumusta?
Ang star mo sa tip?
Kaya?
Paano yun? Hindi yan passing spot.
Ay, mali din ako dun sa ano.
Ano gagawin ko? Kahit anong aral ko, wala eh.
Ay lang yan.
Kaya mo na Gian. No one will look at your failure, ha? Babawi tayo next time. Ha? More review. Tapos manage your time, syempre. Don't always stick to your failure, ha? Yan.
Don't forget to pray, bro.
Okay bro, let's do better na lang next.
Basta there's always a next time, Gian.
Bigyan natin kay
Here's for the sun.
Sama ka na sa amin.
Tara.
Tara!
Napakalaking pasasalamat ko kay Lord dahil He gave me friends that will never leave me even at my lowest. And kayang-kaya akong pasayahin sa maraming paraan.
Son, take a break and eat first. You've been studying too long.
Ma, I'm okay. I just keep worrying for my tuition.
Don't worry, son. Your brother and I are doing our
I'm sorry,
best.
guys. I have no one to cover my outfits. Kuya, I want to help, but hindi also to study.
Hey guys! What's happening here? Can't you just stop arguing over little things?
Yeah, that's right. What's matter is most love and support.
Juan said, don't lose hope, you're not alone.
Thanks. As long as I be family, I'll be fine.
Пожелтевший от жизни газетный лист, смятый мыслями и вчерашним днем. Каждый человек чертов эгоист в мире своем. Но за каждый сделанный лишний вздох кто-то вынужден сделать еще один шаг. А я сам себе дьявол и бог. Если вопрос богат,
To prevent stress, we should manage our time well, get enough rest and stay healthy. Doing things we enjoy, thinking passively and taking to others about feelings can also help. In real life, applying these habits helps us to stay calm and strong even when facing problems and challenges.
So, how to prevent stress? Seek out for help on your friends and family members, and also don't forget to take some rest because every stress has a solution and how to apply it in your real life. Seek out for guidance and always pray for God. Pray for your health and your family members.
I'm Jenray, and here's how I prevent stress in my life. I manage my time by making a to-do list so I don't feel overwhelmed. I also take care of myself by sleeping well and eating healthy. When I feel stressed, I listen to music or talk to my family to relax. Most importantly, I stay positive and remind myself that challenges are part of life. By doing this, I can handle stress better every day. Thank you.
The lesson learned from this project is that consistent application of useful techniques like time blocking and mindfulness. Blocking and mindfulness is necessary for effective stress management. These strategies are essential for students because they directly result in increased concentration and general well-being with dealing with their actual academic and personal difficulties in life.
Reflection about strategies and management po. Effective management strategies are important because they guide an organization or group toward its goals in an organized and efficiency way. I learned that good management is not just about giving orders. It involves planning, decision making, communication, and motivating others po. Applying the right strategies helps solve problems, improve teamwork, and make sure na everyone works toward a common purpose. Yun lang.
Can manage stress by getting enough rest, organizing my time, and sharing my feelings with people I trust. I learned that it's important to take care of not my only body but also my mind and emotion. I also realized that having a positive outlook in life and a faith in God helped me to stay calm and strong in the minds of the challenge.
Home for me. It shows that whether you're struggling with family pressures or a mountain of schoolwork, you don't have to carry the weight alone. The real lesson is the power of your support system. Learning on your family for strength and teaming up with friends to tackle big tasks. Learning to ask for help and work together isn't just a school strategy. It's a life skills that help us get through tough times together.
You can fight stress by finding entertainment or something you can do to divert your attention and forget about the thoughts and problems that are causing your stress.